So here we are with about 2 minutes, 15 seconds to go. And things look pretty good. I'm not super for sure if the burgers are going to be done, but when the timer goes off here in about a little less than 2 minutes now, we'll check them and see, and I guess put them back in there if not. So now we got about a few seconds, 10 seconds or so. Still looking good in there. So, all right, well, let's see what we got. I think I'm gonna leave the fries in there just to stay warm while I check the burgers. They look good. Just put them here on. Oh, hang on. Okay, there we go. So we'll just take a little knife and cut into them and see. They look pretty juicy. I don't see no pink, so that's good. Wow. Okay. So I'm going to put them back in the air fryer just to keep them warm while I get